Now here's the first use of the garden cart. Every year I transplant mullein that grows naturally. They're volunteers that show up in the yard. And they were right along there. Why do I transplant mullein? Because I have a herd of deer that eat anything that isn't nailed down, but they will not eat mullein. So I collect them all and put them out in my so-called weed garden, which is just indigenous plants. And this cart, what it's going to do is, instead of digging up one at a time, I can dig up a whole herd of them and drag them over, make it easier on myself. Now I just got to dig holes and plant. So now the first batch of mullein are planted. They look a little sorry, but they'll come back. And the holes that I dug, that earth is there, and they're going to go back in the holes where the mullein came out of. So far the cart is saving me a lot of work, because I used to do them in a bucket one at a time, and that got old. Now that I've got the sod put back, I just need to clean this bed out. Just like a dump truck. I need to put this on the ATV because I need to get some earth, because there's a section of the yard that got hit with the snowplow and there's nothing but gravel. So this is how you extend the tow hitch to go on an ATV. Comes out 14 inches. So there's my little bit of earth that I dug out. Going through the ditch, it pivoted the stand back, third leg, but that's what it was designed to do. If it was hit something, it would get out of the way. So now we'll go back and use the dump truck feature to dump it on that section of lawn. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this thing into a dump truck. Going to have to rake that off, put a little grass seed on it. Now if I didn't have the cart, I'd be using Home Depot 5-gallon buckets. Okay, this is She Who Must Be Obeyed trimming my tree. And again, we're going to use the cart to haul the spoil away. Now one thing we've discovered is when you're carrying a bunch of stuff, you pick it up, stuff wants to slide out. So what I'm thinking we're going to have to do is de-weld this off the axle and take this and attach it, bolt it right to the tub and get it at a higher angle, so when you pick it up it's going to be level, not like that, because we had stuff slide out. So I think that's probably what's going to have to be done. I find that I've got to transport this folding ladder from the back of the house to the front of the house and put it in my truck. So I was going to carry it, and then it dawned on me, I have a cart now. So I don't have to carry it.